Been seeing all these videos on the Oxy 4. It looks fantastic. I can't resist. I gotta go get one. I gotta order one right now. How much is all this gonna cost me? Let's take a look. Alright, so I've got the 6S Ultra Performance package here. This thing's gonna be a freaking bullet, and I don't even care how much it's gonna cost. I'm gonna pay for this stuff right now. I want this thing right now. What's up, guys? It's Jason at A Main Hobbies, and we're gonna be looking at a couple different electronics packages that I've picked out for you guys that will show a 3S package, a 4S package, and a 6S package. This will include servos, battery, motor, and ESC for each different package. The flybarless system is excluded from the package because that's more of a personal preference, whereas the electronics kind of all need to work together in sync in order to make everything smooth for your build and, of course, to get it flying properly. So let's take a look at our packages. Okay, so for our first package, we're looking at the Economical 3-cell package, and this will be great for the beginner pilots out there that are graduating from the smaller Blade or other similar collective pitch or ready to fly beginner helicopters, as well as intermediate pilots looking to step up to a larger 450 class size, but also keep the price down so you can get into the nice larger 450 heli like the Oxy 4. So for the 3S package, we are suggesting the KST 215 servos. You'll need 4 of these. 3 are going to be for the Cyclic, and 1 is going to be for the tail. The speed controller will be the Hobbywing Fly Fun 40 amp ESC, and the motor will be the Lynx EOX 2222 motor, which is suited for 3-cell and 4-cell use. Lastly, our battery of choice is the Genzace 11.1 volts 3-cell 2200 25C pack. This pack by itself is about $18 and is one of the lowest cost in its class. You can, of course, step up to a larger C rating battery to get a little bit better performance, but again, we're trying to keep the price as low as possible, and 25C for just hovering, doing forward flight, and basic flips and rolls aerobatics is more than enough for that type of flying. This package, as you see it here, is going to cost about $230. The 4S package seen here is great for intermediate to advanced level pilots looking for an excellent price to performance ratio. Additionally, this package allows you to upgrade to 6-cell if you so choose as you progress in your flight style at a later date by using the Hobbywing 60 amp V4 ESC. So for everything that we're looking at here, first we have the Cyclic Servos, which are KST X12 508s. The tail servo is a KST 215. The motor is the same EOX 2222 4S, or it's the same as a 3S. The Genzace 2200 4S 45C pack, and as mentioned, the Hobbywing 60 amp V4 ESC. Now, if you're set on running 4-cell and don't ever plan to upgrade to 6-cell, you can save a little bit more money and downgrade to the FlyFun 40 amp ESC, which would be perfectly fine for 4S use. This package, as you see it here, is going to cost you about $300. Lastly, we have our 6S Extreme Performance Package. This is going to be for the pilots that want the best of the best, and there is no budget for the build. The sky's the limit. So for that, we're taking a look at the Xnova 2618 1860 kV, a Tattoo 1400 6S 75C pack. I personally prefer this pack because it fits exactly on the battery tray without needing to move it up and down on the tray for proper CG. It offers 10% more capacity than a 1250 battery at only a 3% weight penalty. Kind of makes sense in my mind, but if you guys have 1250 packs from like a Goblin Fireball, then absolutely you can run the 1250 packs without an issue. Our speed controller of choice again is the 60 amp V4. This is one of the few that accepts 6L, and it's just a great performer. For Cyclic Servos, we like the BK Servo 3001s. For the price, they offer the most torque and an aggressively fast speed, which is excellent for hardcore 3D maneuvers. For the tail, we have two options. If you want to save a little bit of weight, you can go with a micro servo, which we suggest the BK Servo 3005. If you want to run a mini servo, in the idea that you may want to run a stretch and you're going to run the heavier Tattoo battery, the mini servo by KST, which is the DS565X, is a great choice and still balances very well. All of this stuff that you see here is going to run you about $420, give or take a little bit because we are swapping out some components, but about $420. All right, guys, and that's our electronics package overview video. Now, the parts selected were selected by me personally as if I was putting myself in your guys' shoes. There are a lot of other options within the servo category, the speed controller category, and the motor category, which of course will work in the Oxy 4. Servos like MKS, Bluebird, High-Tech, all will work in here given that they are the correct dimensions. Motors from E-Flite and Scorpion and Align will also work, as well as Castle Creation speed controllers. So there's a lot of options out there for you guys looking to build an Oxy 4. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to help. Leave a comment down below and I'll follow up with you and answer those questions. If you found the video helpful, also be sure to smack the like button. We greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys.